second grade My Math book. We're going to work on pages 315 through 318 today. Problem solving. How can I use place value? Use logical reasoning. Eva's house number has 3 digits. The sum of the digits is 7. 2 of the digits are even. The middle digit is 1. The first digit is less than the last digit. What is Eva's house number? So underline what you know and circle what you need to find. So what do we know? We know that the sum is 7. We know 2 of them are even. The middle digit is 1. And the first is less than the last. First is less than the last. That's a lot that we know. And we want to know what is Eva's house number. So how can we solve this problem? Well, I would like to use a hundreds, tens, and ones chart. Use logical reasoning. The first digit plus the last needs to be 6. I know that because the total is 7, and we know that that middle digit is 1. So 7 minus 1 equals 6. So that's where we get the 6. 2 and 4 are both even, and they equal 6. So 2 plus 4, those need to be some of the other digits that we're going to use because we're looking for a total of 6. Other numbers add up to 6, but they need to be even. Remember, it says 2 of the digits are even. The middle digit's 1. This is our odd digit. 2 is less than 4. Now remember, it says the first digit is less. So the first digit must be 2. So Eva's house number must be 214. Is my answer reasonable? Explain. Yes, because 2, 1, and 4 all equal 7. The middle digit is 1. 2 and 4 are even, and 2 plus 4 is 6, which is what we were looking for. The number of dogs at the shelter is a 2-digit odd number. It is more than 80. The tens digit is less than the ones digit. The sum of the digits is 17. How many dogs are at the shelter? So I know we have a 2-digit number. I know that it's odd. It's more than 80. The tens digit is less than the ones digit. So whatever number is in, so I have a ones digit and I have a tens. There's no hundreds for this one, okay? And the sum is 17. So if I was to add these two numbers up, I would get 17. How will I solve the problem? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say, I know I need two numbers that equal 17. So something plus something equals 17. And it's an odd number, so one of these, the number in the ones place, is going to be odd. And the sum is 17, but the number is more than 80. So what about 89? 89. 8 plus 9. The digit in the tens is less than the digit in the ones, so that follows that rule. 8 plus 9 is 17, and 9 is odd. So I am going to say 89 is also greater than 80, so I know that that follows that rule as well. So I think there are 89 dogs. If you got a different answer, is your answer reasonable? Does it follow all of these rules? If yes, explain. A number has 3 digits. The digit in the hundreds place is the difference of 4 and 2. So difference means 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2, what's the difference? 2. So I already know my hundreds place is 2. Remember, I'm doing my hundreds, tens, and ones. The digit in the tens place is the sum of 2 and 3. The sum means we add these, so 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the tens place is 5. The digit in the ones place is 2 more than the digit in the tens place. And 5 is the tens place, and it's 2 more, so 5 plus 2 is 7. So 257 is that missing number. Sylvia writes this number, 3 ones. So let's do our hundreds, tens, and ones. Hundreds, tens, and ones. 3 ones, 2 tens, and 7 hundreds. What number is it? 723. Ruby is trying to solve a number riddle. The digit in the tens place is less than 2. It's an odd number. So what's the only number less than 2 that's odd? 1, right? So we know that that's 1. It's an odd number, so we know this number in the ones place also needs to be odd. The number in the hundreds place is greater than 8. Well, what number could be greater than 8? 9. 9. The number in the ones place is the sum of 6 and 3. So what's 6 plus 3 equals 9, and 9 is also odd, so our number is 919. Review strategies. Make a model, write a number sentence, and find a pattern. Paco puts pennies into 3 groups. He counts 80 pennies in the first group, 3 pennies in the second group, and 500 pennies in the third group. How many pennies does he have? So I'm going to do 500s plus 80, so 8 tens plus 3 is 583. Ella's family is going to visit her cousins. They will drive for 3 days. Each day they will drive 60 miles. How many miles will they drive in all? So if they have 3 days, have 60 miles on day 1. Day 2 said they also drive 60 miles. And day 3, they also drive 60 miles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 6 tens, 6 tens, 6 tens. You could draw these out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count them. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 tens, which is 180. So 18 tens is 180 miles. Jamie ate 20 cherries on Monday. She ate 20 cherries on Tuesday, and she ate 20 cherries on Wednesday. If she continues, how many cherries will Jamie have eaten by Thursday? So we're going to say Monday, 20. Tuesday, 20. Wednesday, 20. And Thursday, we're assuming she's also going to eat 20. So I'm going to say 2 tens, 1, 2, 2 tens, 2 tens. And if you have your 10 rods, of course, use those. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. She'll have eaten 80 cherries. Man, that sounds like a lot of cherries.